Okay, welcome back. We are going to continue on with this assignment, the worksheet 3B. Yesterday we did the first and second column for the first two examples. Today I'm going to go on to the last column of examples. So you see the board is set up a little bit differently today, okay? This is now set up to where we can do one dose, how much per day, how much total. I'm going to start with the same two we did yesterday. The ampicillin, 500 milligrams, PO, QID, times 5D. The way that you actually say that, okay, is ampicillin, 500 milligrams, PO is by mouth, QID, 4 times a day, times 5D, that means for 5 days. Dose on hand, 250 milligram capsules, okay? One step at a time. Find what you need first. The first part is how much do we give per dose? Then we'll go to QID is how many times a day, so how much do we need for the day? Then we'll go on to the last step, which is times 5D, total that we need for 5 days, okay? So I'm going to start right from the beginning, so some of this will be reiterated from yesterday. The dose we need, 500 milligrams. The dose we have, 250 milligrams per capsule. So our unit is 1, and our tag is cap, right? Take your calculator. Now you did this yesterday, so you may already have the answers, but I'm doing it all at once, and I want you to do it all at once with me. 500 divided by 250 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2 caps. So that is how much we're going to give per dose. 2 caps per dose. Okay? Take that number, bring it down here. 2 caps per dose. You can even fill in the caps because that's not going to change. How many times a day did we say? QID, right? QID, 4 times a day. 2 times 4 equals 8 capsules per day. For how many days? 5D, 5 days, right? You're going to bring this number down here. So it's just, you're constantly bringing your answers down. We have 8 caps per day. Remember, that's not going to change. Times 5 days, okay? If you need your calculator, use it. If you don't, right? 8 times 5 equals 40. So the total amount that we're going to give to the patient to make sure that they have enough is 40 capsules for this entire prescription. By the way, ampicillin is like an antibiotic, and that was one of the ones that I was talking about yesterday, where we don't always give, like a full month supply of something. We only give it for as many days as they need it. So this patient's only taking this medication for 5 days. So in the bottle that they get from the pharmacy would be a total of 40 capsules. Right? Okay, not that hard. Let's go to the next one. You should be setting up your formula while I'm erasing all the numbers off of mine. Set it up just like this so that you can do it this way for every one of them, just like I am. No shortcuts. So the next one we did from yesterday is digoxin elixir. Just trying to make sure you can see it. Digoxin elixir, 150 micrograms. PO is by mouth. TID, 3 times a day, times 10D, which is 10 days. And what do we have on hand? 50 micrograms per ml. So again, we did this yesterday, but I'm starting right from the top again. The dose we need, 150 micrograms. And the dose we have, 50 micrograms. 50 micrograms per ml, right? So our unit is still 1 because it's per ml. Get your calculator. Dose you need is 150. Dose you have is 50. That gives you 3. 3 times 1 equals 3 ml. 3 ml per dose. So bring that down here. 3 ml per dose. How many times a day are we doing this? TID is 3 times a day. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 ml total for the day. Bring that down here. 9 mLs times how many days? 10 days. 9 times 10 equals 90. 90 mLs in that bottle. So the bottle that the patient gets from the pharmacy will have a total of 90 mLs in it. That'll be a big bottle of 90 mLs. We would give the patient 3 mLs per dose. Doing that 3 times a day gives us 9 mLs per day. Doing that for a total of 10 days would give us 90 mLs in the bottle. Again, not hard, just very specific that you have to do it this way each time. Okay? You go ahead and try the rest. I will be going over the entire assignment so you can check your answers with me, but I want you to try it. Okay, you go through these steps and do it. There's no reason why at this point you should not be able to put this on your paper and start working out the assignment, this assignment as well as some of the other assignments. I will be going over some of the other ones. We still have some more things to introduce about reading labels and doing conversions, but in the meantime, let's get this part down.